All right, oven, what's cooking? Get it? What's cooking? God, that's actually hilarious. All right, anyways, let's see if I can turn this on. Oh my goodness. Hello, beautiful sunshine angel pies. Hello, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the Food Network. Okay, not exactly the Food Network. In fact, the furthest thing from. I'm like maybe the world's worst cook. I'm not even kidding. I can't make anything. I can make dresses out of trash and literally whatever else I want to do, but for some reason, like making like even toast is very difficult for me. But today we're going to brave the kitchen because I am a huge fan of Miss Chrissy Teigen, and I have bought her cookbook many moons ago, and it's just been sitting on my kitchen counter for like 100 years looking aesthetic. So I thought today would be fun to actually try to make something from, you know, the book. Because, you know, I was just in the mood to burn my house down today. I'm kidding. And I figured, you know, I couldn't do it without filming it. So you guys get to have the distinct pleasure of watching me attempt to cook. So without further ado, here we go. I tried to make Chrissy Teigen's recipes. Grab your fire extinguishers, kids. This should be a good one. Alrighty, as always, before we get going, here is our outfit of the day, which is very pretty in pink. So we got some pink denim jeans, which is so fun. I've actually been really into denim for this summer, only because no real reason. I just recently realized I like wearing pants a little bit. God, who am I? Don't quote me on that. So we got some pink jeans that I rolled up, mostly to match, OMG, the pink denim sandals. Oh my god. To match the vintage shoes, we got a vintage little bag. OMG, precious. As for this top, yes, I know, I literally just wore this in an outfit of the day, but you know, that's the beauty of clothes. Once you own them, you can just wear them again. Aesthetic nails to match the aesthetic pants, aesthetic shoes, aesthetic bag, just overall an aesthetic. I feel very Barbie Elwood-esque in this. I'm really into it. So, there we go. That is our outfit of the day. And now we're going to go to the grocery store. So, here we go. Hello, Pumpkin. What are you doing sitting in the middle of the floor like that? Do you want to say hi to everybody? Hi, beautiful man. Hi, I love you. Mwah. Okay. See you soon. Oh my god, I'm literally an idiot. Hi, honey. I literally didn't even pick a recipe. Okay, so let's decide what we're making so I know what to actually buy at the grocery store. Alrighty, here we got Miss Chrissy Teigen. I am just like a huge freaking fan of her. She's such a boss lady. So let's see. I've actually never opened this because I literally bought it just to support her, and then I don't really cook anything. So maybe you've never cooked a meal in your life. Mood. Wow, Chrissy speaks to me. Ugh, they are literally goals. I love them.
All right, so after skimming the whole book and getting kind of concerned that I wouldn't be able to make anything.
I could probably make shit on toast. Actually, this looks sort of advanced. I don't know.
I ended up settling on banana bread because I've seen this all over Twitter, and I just think, you know, that's something I can possibly safely maybe make.
All right, now we can actually go. Boop. Bye, honey. Love you. See you soon. Enjoy the house while it's not burnt down. Alrighty, so here we go. Put my child in the child safety seat. Okay. Let's see what we gotta get.
All right, so we grabbed some bananas, we grabbed a nice pot, we grabbed some oil, some flour, some cheese, not because I need the cheese for this recipe, I just wanted some cheese, and you know, everything else that was on the list.
This is the best salad bar I've ever seen. Incredible. All right, I think we got it all. Woo! Here we go. Woo! Hi, Happy! I'm home. All right, so here's what we ended up buying. All the ingredients that we got. Oh boy. You ready, baby? Here we go. We'll set up Chrissy right here so she can watch me.
And to set the mood to taste my cooking attempts, what better than a good glass of wine? Smooth transition, I know. But for real, everyone knows fine dining means fine wine. And while me baking banana bread doesn't quite count as fine dining, it is a special occasion that deserves to be cheersed to. So the fabulous people over at Bright Cellars have sent me some wine for the evening. It's a super cool company that matches your personal taste to wine that you would most like with a 7-question non-snobby wine quiz. Easy as that. Then they'll send you wines from around the world you're guaranteed to like based on, your personal taste preferences. Like you can see my matches here. So cute. What a fun box. And then they even have little wine education cards to explain everything to you. So you're learning, you're loving, you're living. Super convenient delivery, perfect for quarantine. You don't have to leave the house. It just comes straight to you. Not to mention they have a fab concierge team to help you find your best matches guaranteed. Don't like one? They'll send you a replacement.
This is so fun. It's like I'm on a date with Chrissy. Hi, Chrissy. There you go, Chrissy. Enjoy.
So if you're over 21 and in the mood to wine and dine yourself, Bright Cellars is giving you guys 50% off your first 6-bottle box. So you can click the link in the description to take the quiz and get started. So shout out to Bright Cellars for sponsoring this video. We love ya.
Like y'all know, anything for the aesthetic. Cheers to my cooking. All right, here we go.
Alrighty, so according to the recipe, the first thing we were supposed to do is mash up the bananas in a bowl. After looking through my pantry, I realized I don't own a bowl, so
I guess we're just gonna mix it in this pot. That's fine. Okay. Not bad. All right. Anyways. Hey, we did something. It's like really disgusting looking macaroni. Ugh. All right, oven, what's cooking? Oh! Get it? What's cooking? God, that's actually hilarious. All right, anyways, let's see if I can turn this on. Start. No, bake. 325. Yay! Okay, cool. Okay, eggs. Oh, it worked! Oh, there's shell in it, shit. Oh, there's a lot of shell in it. Oh no! Well, whatever, okay. Ooh, it's like science. La-da-dee-da-dum. Okay, we have to mix all of that together. Okay. This looks disgusting! Oh, God. Oh! Okay, you guys get the point of view of the mashed mush. I'm disgusted. Oh! I'm doing so good. Actually, I don't know, but the house didn't burn down yet, so that's good. Oh, damn it. No! Okay, so now I'm supposed to mix the dry ingredients, which is sugar, salt, flour, sugar. Oh no. Oh, I forgot salt! No! I wonder if Alyssa left any salt here. I still literally don't have another bowl, so I'm gonna have to mix it in this other pan. Okay. Okay, so we need 2 cups flour. Okay. Cute. Ooh. Oh no. Well, it's fine. All right, we got a teaspoon of baking soda. And the Jell-O mix. Okay, so we're just gonna mix this with a fork. I mean, that looks mixed.
I'm also going to add cherries. This is not in Chrissy's recipe, but my aunt used to put this in banana bread when I was a kid, and I loved it, so we're adding it in.
I literally love these and eat them as a snack. Delicious. You guys want to see a trick? Literally my only college party trick. So we're just gonna pour these. I guess we'll pour this one into this one. Ew. I don't really know if this is like gonna be edible at all, but it kind of looks like batter. Okay, now we get to add the coconut and the chocolate. So good. I also will eat raw coconut flakes because I'm disgusting. Delicious. Oh my god, I made such a mess. Chrissy, I am so sorry. Okay, so it says to butter the pan. I only have this butter because I forgot to buy real butter, so oh well. Looks nice and, buttered. Okay. So far so good, no one died, and I mean, it looks like I kind of think how it's supposed to look. It doesn't even look hot in there. All right, let's just, here we go. Okay, have fun, bye. Yay, guys, we're doing it. Okay, well, I guess while we wait for that to cook, I'm gonna clean this up. George, it's working, look, it's cooking. Are you proud of me? Look, something's happening in there. I'm so excited it's working. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna scream. Cheers, George. Oh my goodness, he looks beautiful. Oh my god, it's so golden brown. I'm so proud. Oh my goodness, now that's fashion. Ooh, Vogue. Oh my god. Alrighty, now all that's left for our date is the cake. Whoa. Oh, I did it. It looks a little weird, but I did it. Okay, moment of truth. Chrissy is judging me, okay. I made something! All right, so that's not exactly the most aesthetically pleasing slice I ever made, but dear God, this took me 2 hours. Please be good. I'm shook. It's good. I think that's the most delicious thing I've ever cooked in my life, which truthfully isn't that high of a bar, but I cooked something and it's edible. This is so exciting. Excuse me. Also, literally, look how hot my neighbor is. I'm dying. You look so good.
Thanks, honey.
Wow. So, I realized no one would believe me if I cooked it and then I said it tasted okay. So, will you please try it and just tell me the honest truth. If it's disgusting, it's fine, but tell me if it's gross.
You seriously cooked this?
Believe it or not.
Shut up.
She knows I can't cook.
Okay, all right, let's give it a go. Oh my god.
I'm sorry. Please don't die. I tried it so you at least won't die.
Are you sure you cooked this?
I did.
Girl, that's pretty damn good.
Really?
Wow.
Wow.
I'm impressed.
Thanks. Oh my God, look.
I'm going in for
She's
a
gonna have
second one.
another bite. That's.
George, it's good. I'm not gonna die.
She is taking it home with her. That's how delicious it was. Joe, she's trying to take George. George, no, you're gonna stay, honey.
Bye.
So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more cooking videos, you should probably check out a cooking channel. I'm gonna go back to the mall now. But seriously, you know, don't forget, in quarantine and in life, it's always good to try something new and fun and exciting because life is short and you might as well just, you know, have a good time with it. You don't have to be good at something to enjoy it. Like, I actually had fun today. And I'm proud of myself. Good job, kid. You cooked. And on that always cheesy note, I love you guys. I will see you soon. To the moon and back always. XO. Oh dear. Ugh. I'm allergic to cooking.